Hello everybody, this is Lucas here with MarineMax, Lake the Ozarks. Today I'm showing you our new listing. It's a 2023 Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless. The trailer underneath does come with it. Beautiful blue exterior. Comes with a trolling motor off the front. Spare tire on the trailer. This one's got the Mercury 400 horsepower engine. The beautiful chrome accents. Swim ladder off the back. Storage behind the helm. These seats pop up, as you can see on that one. Big lower and scran. JL audio throughout. Nice seat in front of the helm. Snap-in cushions. Again, this is a 2023 250 Dauntless from Boston Whaler. My name is Lucas, and give me a call here at MarineMax, Lake the Ozarks.